The moment that my father had that cochlear implant working, it changed his life because it gave him a reason to live. The cochlear implant gave him his life back. He was the one who took us to our tennis, our netball, the musicals we were in. He was so much involved in our lives. And without that, I don't know what we would have done. I can't even imagine. Professor Clark and the cochlear implant saved my father and indirectly saved us as a family. Every time I see him, I just well up with emotion and gratitude and love for this man who's so selfless and so dedicated to helping people. He puts himself second and he's got this drive. And people might joke about this drive and how he's very targeted and can't be swayed, but it's that dedication that has led to helping hundreds of thousands of people around the world. And my little family owe so much to him, and so do many people in the world.